We are ranking Rustoleum here. So, what is this trash? Why don't they use regular... Why don't tripod companies come out with... Oh, hey, stop it. No. There goes the mic. This mic stand is straight up. I cannot recommend this mic stand. I didn't want to say anything. Okay, folks. We have Winston on the scene. Why don't you just chill out there? You just chill there. Welcome to the Tom Show. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. Okay, now it's a little late at night, an evening, chilling. People are eating dinner. This is a true test. This is superficial, opposed to superficial. Welcome to the Tom Show. It is hot. It is nice out here. It is in Tennessee. I'm excited to say that I think this mic is working. We are picking up signal here, which is fantastic. So this is a little backyard test. I'm out here with Winston, not Churchill. I brought him out here to rank Rustoleum. Got a featured trailer for it below. So if you're interested, check it out. So you got your khaki, an army green, black, and these are all flat colors. All right. I want to take it a little bit further and check out what their official color was using my data color. Let's do that now. Okay, we're going for Ace Hardware, okay? So here's our true reading. This is what they call army green, and these are your Ace Hardware colors. All right, now we're checking out the khaki. Okay, here is our khaki rating. Exciting stuff. And lastly, our black. Black is still pulling green. So just so you know, that does make sense for these colors, our lighting. So let's figure out what current color temperature conditions are. We are measuring now. Okay, we are pulling 5490K. All right, we're a total of $20.94 in total. Then tax gets you to $22.98 out the door in Tennessee. S tier to F tier. That's failure. Okay, so we have 7 layers total. Winston is licking my wrist right now. It tickles. Now, where would I rank this? I think as far as a product itself, really good results here. So I'm gonna give this an A tier rating for your Rustoleum. So make sure you go and check out your local Home Depot and maybe give it a shot. I know we're going to be coming into the fall season here, and I know y'all hunters and possibly other film creators might be interested because I guess standing out is not necessarily a thing. However, blending into your environment is a thing. So just want to throw that out there. You guys take care. I'll give you a little bit of Winston on the way out. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be coming at you soon with some new stuff. Got a lot of projects in the works. We'll be checking out a lot of new videos from Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for your time. Rustoleum.